Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Find the last 3 digits of the product 3 times 7 times 11 times 15 all the way to 115 and 119. This question is suitable for beginners in number theory. First of all, we let n to be the number that we want to find. And we wish to find out the last 3 numbers of n. In other words, we want to know what is n congruent to mod 1000. And note that 1000 is equals 8 times 125. So we want to know what is n congruent to mod 8 and what is n congruent to mod 125. And from there, we are able to get the answer. Okay, first of all, it is easy to answer for mod 125. 125 is equal to 5 to the power 3. And we can see that there are many 5 in n that exist 15, 55, 115. That's good enough to say that n is congruent to 0 mod 125. So next, we want to focus on what is n congruent to mod 8. So note that for n, it is actually the product of 4a minus 1, where a equals to 1 till 30. There are 30 terms in n. 3, 7, 11, 15 is congruent to 3, then minus 1, 3, minus 1, mod 8. And this is a 9 mod 8, and this is equal to 1 mod 8, meaning that for every 4 terms, it will congruent to 1. For 30 terms, there are 4 times 7 plus 2, meaning that for n, there are total of 7 such 4 number, and the remaining 2 number will be congruent to 3 and negative 1. Mod 8. So meaning that n is congruent to 5 mod 8. So now we have n congruent to 5 mod 8, n equals to 0 mod 125. So we start from here, then we will know that n is either 125, 250, 375, 500, 625, 750, 875. So n will congruent to 5, 2, 7, 4, 1, 6, and 3 mod 8 respectively. So we'll see that the only answer will be 125. And therefore, n is congruent to 125 mod 1000. In other words, the answer for this is equals 125. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.